You're good. Good job. William's coming with the net. Hold on. Keep it up in the air. Hold on. Just don't. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. It's all right. It's all right. Keep reeling. Want me to take over?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I got it. I got it. He's a big one. He's a good. Oh, he's running. He's a good one. Here, give me the net. Come on, keep him tight. You got it? Keep him tight. Okay. Just wear him out. You gotta wear him out. Matthew, come on, watch. What's wrong? What are you doing? He's fighting. You just gotta wear him out. He's taking some drag. That's what you want to do. Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now bring him over. Bring him over. Hey, see, he's getting tired. Getting tired.
Holy cow!
Yeah.
Team effort.
Look at that sucker.
That's holy cow!
Wow.
Yeah. I knew I wanted somebody else to take that over.
No kidding,
I
huh?
did not take that up. Matthew, watch my pole. Can you reel it in? Just reel it in, Matthew.
Yeah. Holy moly.
Holy cow.
We're not going to keep him, though. We'll take a picture. I'm not. Nobody's going to eat him.
Oh, good point.
Here, well, let's get a picture of him, though.
Don't you worry, William. It is reeled in.
Wow.
Tyler?
Huh? Yeah, hold on. We don't lip guys this big. You use the grabber.
Oh, okay. I got it. What happened to always with the fish catch? Always
Damn.
Holy cow.
Holy cow. Good to see that, Matthew. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on.
You got it, the net.
Yeah, I gotta get his.
Teamwork.
Where's that hook at? Damn, he took that thing.
Because nobody's going to eat it. If you eat him, we'll keep him.
Here, give me those. Where's those orange pliers back by my
Matthew,
thing?
move. Matthew, move.
Yeah, I see him down there. He's all right. I'll get him.
Can we measure him?
Damn it, I hate to lose him. Hold on. Hold on.
Here, you want me to hold this?
Hold on.
Ooh. Big guy.
You might have to keep him. Because he got hooked deep. I can fillet him. You can give him to your mom, huh?
Oh yeah.
We'll have to keep him. He might
I
be.
wonder if he's big enough.
Shh. Matthew, stand up there. It's a team effort.
Oh. Hey, you watch. You want to hold this? Oh wait, if you want to put Eric, I'll hold this. Just stay next to me, okay? Ooh. No, hold up. Hold up. Otherwise you want fish.
Yeah. It's a nice one.
Okay.
Stand out here in the sun. On this side right here.
Just walk down.
Matthew, walk down there.
Walk down.
Yeah. Matthew, a little bit further. Yeah, stand right there. Okay, now Matthew, stand next to William. Yeah, we're going to have to keep him. I think he's... I want him in the sun. I want the fish in the sun. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, William, can you do one of these?
Yeah. Just by me, just...
Yeah, hold him on the bottom.
Oh, God.
Yeah, hold him up.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Okay, take him up forward and do that one time.
What is this thing?
Don't show people your fish. They're all going to come here and want to go fishing. Look at that. Hold them up all the way in the sun. There, yeah. Matthew, watch out. Move over, Matthew, out of the way for a second. Matthew, out of the way. Okay, now give it to Matthew. Let him hold it by himself.
Okay.
He can do it. Turn him sideways, Matthew. There you go.
Oh, turn him sideways.
Yeah. Now, William, back up out of the picture. Okay.
Hey, you want to look at?
Yeah. Dang. Now that one was as big as Katie, Matthew.